Okay, so what we're gonna do today is put the myth to bed and see, being that it's so cold out, if boiling water will just turn to vapor. I always wondered because if they put some kind of chemical in the water or something. So I'm gonna try it now. Let's see. I hope you'll be able to see it happening. Alright. Well, here we are. Here's the water. Holy shit. It really does work. I'm gonna do it again just so you can see. I don't know. I'm not sure if you actually saw that. I'm gonna try better this time. But yeah, it really works. There's just the plain water going in again. And it's a negative 29 with the wind chill here. The actual temperature is -6. Okay. So we're gonna try this again. Here's the water. And right there you'll see it. That's water. Holy cow. All right, guys, well, it works.